Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, let's hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And from the boot options, you want to select power off. Give it a moment, and you want to then hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into the bootloader. Now I know it's labeled as fast boot mode, but this is actually bootloader. Now using volume buttons, which typically should be the same place where these arrows are, you want to navigate and have recovery mode show up right here. There we go. Once it shows up, you want to press power button to confirm it. Now, before we actually get into the recovery mode, I believe we will have this thing show up. Come on. Yep, there we go. So when you see this page, to get past this, you will need to start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This redirects us to the recovery mode. Now, the way my camera is set, you can barely see there are other options right here, so I'll start scrolling down, which again you can use volume buttons to navigate and power to confirm whatever is selected. So going over the options, we have a reboot system now. This will bring us back to Android. A reboot to bootloader, which will bring us back to the previous page that we had. Fast boot mode. Now I know that the first page was labeled, first page after rebooting or turning off the device, was labeled as fast boot mode, but this is actually a different mode. It looks completely different. Now moving on, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Now I'm gonna stick with the first option, press the power button, and like I mentioned before, this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.